locating a center of a triangle. So if you want to learn how to locate the center of a particular triangle, you follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using an equilateral triangle for the illustration. And I'll be constructing that using 8 centimeter as my length. So first, I will now draw an 8 centimeter straight line. I will label these points as my points A and B. So in order to construct an equilateral triangle, you put your pair of compass at this point and you now open to the length of the horizontal line, because an equilateral triangle is a triangle that all the sizes are equal. So you now proceed, you inscribe an arc at this point. Using that same radius, you stand at point A and you now inscribe another arc. This point is your point C. So to construct this angle, you now link these points to where the line intersects. So this is our first step. Now the second step is to locate the center of this triangle. So in order to locate the center of this triangle, we now bisect line AB and line BC. So in order to do that, you stand at this point, you open your compass to a convenient radius, and then you now cut an arc, a convenient radius, up and below. So at this point too, you now cut another arc up and below. Now using the same radius, you stand at this point, you cut an arc, and then you now cut another arc at this point. You now proceed to point C, you cut an arc, and then you now cut another arc at this point. So this is a technical error. So the last step is to draw a vertical line from this bisection to this one. And then you now proceed, you repeat the same process at this point. So where these two lines intersect is the center of this triangle. So this is how to construct or to locate the center of a triangle. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.